Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about Mathematics Paper 1A model question paper which is given by the Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education. Model paper is given. Further, all the solutions in the model paper I am going to explain in section wise. All the three videos, section A, section B, section C, and all together also I'll keep one video for the convenience. Let us have a discussion. The first question, in section A we have 15 questions. Any 10 you can write it in the examination, any 10. They will give more choice is given. Don't worry dear students, we will get it 100% good marks in the coming examinations. Wish you all the best. We'll move to the question number 1. If A equal to set of all 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2 and F is defining from A to B is a surjection defined by f of x equal to cos x, then find B. So A is given, that means domain is given. They are asking to calculate B, that means image. So range indirectly they are asking. So simple steps we need to write in the answers. Why? Because 2 marks only, no? So what is the question here? In the solution step, given A equal to 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2 and F is defining from A to B is a surjection. Is a surjection. Surjection means onto. Defined by f of x is equal to cos x. So they are asking B value, no? So B is equal to, whenever f of x is onto or surjection, B is equal to f of A. That is the meaning. That is also equal to f of A means in the set A, what are the elements are there? 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. So f of A equal to f of 0, f of pi by 6, f of pi by 4, f of pi by 3, f of pi by 2. So one by one we will calculate. What is f of x here? F of x is cos x. So f of 0 means cos 0. F of pi by 6, cos pi by 6. F of pi by 4, cos pi by 4. F of pi by 3, cos pi by 3. F of pi by 2, cos pi by 2. Cos 0 value 1. Cos pi by 6. Pi by 6 means what? 30 degrees. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos pi by 4. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 3, 60 degrees, 1 by 2. Next, cos 90. Cos pi by 2 means cos 90 is 0. So therefore, the value of B is equal to, this is the required set. I hope you understand, dear students. We will move on to the next question. So find the domain of the real valued function f of x equal to 1 by log of 2 minus x. So we know that the domain of 1 by log f of x, whenever the log f of x is in the denominator, log f of x is in denominator, the function should, first we need to write 1 by log f of x defined when f of x should be greater than 0 and f of x should not be equal to 1. Sir, why sir f of x is not equal to 1? Suppose if f of x equal to 1, log 1 0, anything by 0 is infinity, we cannot define. Domain means we need to calculate for what values of the function is it is defining. So f of x is greater than 0. Similarly, 1 by log 2 minus x defined when f of x value is what? 2 minus x now. 2 minus x is greater than 0 and 2 minus x is not equal to 1. This is the way you can write it. After that, 2 minus x is greater than 0 means 2 is greater than x and minus x is not equal to 1 minus 2. Minus x is not equal to minus 1. So x is not equal to 1. So x is not equal to 1, we got it. Next, 2 is greater than x, that implies that x is less than 2. X is less than 2 means, just I'll draw the real number line. This is minus infinity and this is plus infinity. Here the number 2 is there. This is 2, this is 1. X is less than 2, that means from here to here. In this, x is not equal to 1. In this interval, 2, 1 minute. The places I was changed little bit. Here 1, here 2. So x is less than 2 means from minus infinity to 2. In this interval, x is not equal to 1. So not equal to 1 means like this way. X is not equal to 1. So x belongs to open interval of minus infinity to 1, union 1 to 2, we can write it. Otherwise, we can write it as x belongs to, x is less than 2 means open interval of minus infinity to 2. In this interval, 1 is not there. So deleted neighborhood, that means 1 is not there. Otherwise, we can write like this also. In this interval, or someone will represent like this. X belongs to open interval of minus infinity to 2 / 1. Both the meaning is same. Or otherwise, open interval of minus infinity to 1, 1 to 2 also we can write it. I hope you understand, dear students. This is the way you can give the answer. Keep in mind, whatever the procedure is there, 1 by log f of x defined only when f of x is greater than 0 and f of x should not be equal to 1. Based on that, we'll move to the question number 3. The next question number 3. If a equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5 and b equal to 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1, then find a plus b. So here the sum of the matrix they are asking, matrices. So first step, just you have to write that given matrices or something, given that simply a is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5 and b equal to 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1. So therefore they are asking the sum of these matrix a plus b equal to. So corresponding elements you have to add in both the matrix. 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5, 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1, which is equal to. So corresponding elements you have to add 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, minus 1 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 8 minus 4, 8 plus into minus is minus, that's why 5 minus 1. So which is equal to 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, minus 1 plus 1 0, 7 plus 2 9, 8 minus 4 4, 5 minus 1 4. Therefore, A plus B is equal to. So once again, just corresponding elements you have to add. To add or subtract or multiplying, what is the procedure? The order should be same. How many rows are there in this? 2 rows are there, 3 columns are there. Here also 2 rows are there, 3 columns are there. So then only the matrix addition is possible. Rows and column, the order of both the matrices is same. Then only addition and subtraction will be possible. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to the question number 4. If A equal to I0, 0, I, 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows are there, 2 columns are there. They are asking to find A square. So first step is given matrix or simply given A equal to I0, 0, I. So A square they are asking. So A square means what? A into A. A is I0, 0, I into I0, 0, I. So when the multiplication is possible, the number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in second matrix. Then only the multiplication is possible. So I into I square, 0 into 0 plus 0. Next I into 0, 0. Next I 0 into I, 0. Next I into 0, 0. I into 0, 0. Next 0 into 0, 0. I into I square. So which is equal to I square, 0, 0, I square. So I square, we know that I square is equal to minus 1. I is representing as iota, which we will study in the second year. So I square value minus 1 means minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1. If you take common minus 1, 0, 0, 1. Still if you want to write, they are asking only find A square. Till you can stop it here. If they are asking to prove A square equal to minus I, means this is 2 by 2 identity matrix. You can write as I. Otherwise you can leave it like this. If you want, you can write it like this also. Minus, this is identity matrix of 2 by 2, I. We'll move to the question number 5. In this question number 5, given matrix A equal to 2, minus 4, minus 5, 3. In this question, A plus A transpose and A into A transpose. Whenever A is there, that implies that the transpose of the matrix is denoted by A dash or A power T. So interchanging of rows and columns is a transpose of a matrix. So first row will become first column. 2 minus 4 will become here. Next minus 5 3 will becomes second column. Minus 5 3. After that, sum of these matrices A plus A dash, that is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5 3 plus 2 minus 5 minus 4 3, that is equal to sum of the matrices 2 plus 2 minus 4 minus 5 minus 5 minus 4 minus 5 minus 3 3 plus 3, that is equal to 4 minus 9 minus 9 6. This is about A plus A dash. Next, A into A dash they are asking. A into A dash. So A value is 2 minus 4 minus 5 3 into A dash, the transpose of a matrix. So 2 minus 5 minus 4 3. So we know that how to multiply these. 2 into 2 4 plus 16, 2 into minus 5 minus 10, minus 4 into 3 minus 12. Next 5 into 2 minus 5 into 2 minus 10, 3 into minus 4 minus 12, minus 5 into minus 5 25, 3 into 3 9. So which is equal to 20 minus 22 minus 22 34. Therefore A dash is equal to 20 minus 22 minus 22 34, and A plus A dash is already here over. I hope you understand it, students. We'll move on to the question number 6. If A equal to 2 4 minus 1k and A square equal to 0, 0 means here null matrix of order 2. Here this order is 2 by 2, no? So I also will consider as 2 by 2 matrix, 0 matrix or null matrix. Then find k. So first, given A is equal to 2 4 minus 1k, then A square equal to 0. First A square calculate. A square equal to A into A. So 2 4 minus 1k, 2 4 minus 1k. So you can multiply 2 2s are 4 like previous problem. 4 into minus 1. Next 2 4s are 8. 4 into k, 4k. Next minus 1 into 2 minus k. Next minus 1 into 4 minus 4. So k into k, k square. So this is about A square is equal to 0, 8 plus 4k minus 2 minus k minus 4 plus k square. Since A square is equal to 0 null matrix, 0 means here 2 by 2 of null matrix, that means 0 0 0 0. So that is A square value is what here? 0, 8 plus 4k minus 2 minus k minus 4 plus k square. So corresponding elements we need to equate to get the value of k. Two matrices are equal. Their corresponding elements are equal. Any one of them we can do, not compulsory to do all. So 8 plus 4k is equal to 0. That implies that 4k is equal to minus 8. K is equal to minus 8 by 4. So k is equal to minus 2. That's all. I hope everyone understand, students, the question, which is very important. We may expect this type of question in the coming exams. Yeah, we'll enter into the question number 7. If A bar equal to 2i plus 5j plus k plus B bar equal to 4i plus mj plus nk are collinear, then find m and n. Then find m and n. So first step you have to write it as given vectors. So simple steps. Given vectors. So first one is A bar equal to 2i plus 5j plus k and B bar equal to 4i plus mj plus nk. Before that, we need to know one important point regarding collinear vectors. See here, a bar equal to a1i plus a2j plus a3k, comma, b bar equal to b1i plus b2j plus b3k are collinear vectors, then we have a1 by b1 is equal to a2 by b2 is equal to a3 by b3. Suppose the vector they are taking as a1i plus b1j plus c1k and a2j plus b2j plus c2k, that time a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. According to my assumption, I am writing here. According to your convenience, you write it, dear students. I hope you understand. Since a bar and b bar are collinear, then, so here from first vector a1 is what? 2. So 2 by 4, which is equal to I bar coefficients are in proportional, j bar coefficients are in proportional, 5 by m is equal to k bar coefficient 1 by n. That implies that 2 by 4 means what? 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by m is equal to 1 by n. Equating these two. So that implies that 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by m. Cross multiplication, m is equal to 10. Similarly, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by n. That implies that cross multiplication, n is equal to 2. So therefore, the values of m and n are 10 and 2. That's all. They are asking to calculate the values of m and n. Yeah. Now we will move to the question number 8. Find the vector equation of line passing through the point 2i plus 3j plus k and parallel to the vector. So in this solution, first given vectors, among that we need to assume that vectors. Let a bar is equal to, passing through the point is given now, that we can take as a bar. So 2i plus 3j plus k and parallel to the vector, that vector we can assume as b bar, 4i minus 2j plus 3k. Here also one important formula we have, dear students. The vector equation of line, passing through a bar and parallel to b bar is r bar equal to a bar plus tb bar, where t belongs to real number. So for writing a bar, b bar and this formula 1 mark and substituting the vectors and write that equation for that 1 mark. This is the way the marks is going to distribute, dear students. So therefore, r bar equal to, in place of a bar, 2i plus 3j plus k plus t into 4i minus 2j plus 3k, where T belongs to R. Even we can write it as from I bar coefficients take it common, j bar coefficients take it common. Like this way you can do that. I bar into here 2, here 4 into T, 4T, 2 plus 4T into I plus j bar into 3 minus 2T plus k bar into 1 plus 3T. So T belongs to R. This is the way we can write it. That's all. We'll move on to the question number 9. Let A bar equal to 2I plus 4j minus 3k, B bar equal to I plus j plus k, and C bar equal to j bar plus 2k bar. Find unit vector in the opposite direction of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. This type of question is very important, dear students. So first we need to calculate the sum of the vectors. Before going to do that, we need to calculate the sum of these vectors. First, given vectors, A bar equal to 2I plus 4j minus 3k, B bar equal to I plus j plus k, and C bar equal to j plus 2k. So I bar is not there here. Therefore, the sum of these vectors A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 2I plus I, so 3I, 4j plus j, so 6j, 2k plus k, 3k minus 3k, 0. So leave it like this. So A bar plus B bar plus C bar value is 3I plus 6j. There is no k bar here. They are asking the unit vector in the opposite direction of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. The unit vector, here also formula we have, here only I will mention. The unit vector in the opposite direction, unit vector in the opposite direction of A bar is minus A bar divided by modulus of A bar. So here the vector A bar is not A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So therefore the unit vector in the opposite direction of A bar plus B bar plus C bar is minus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar by modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So we need to calculate the magnitude of this vector. So magnitude means mod, square root of I bar coefficient whole square, 3 square, 9. J bar coefficient whole square, 6 square, 36. So root 45. Root 45 can be written as 9 into 5. 9 you can take outside, 3 root 5. So that is equal to minus I bar plus A bar plus B bar plus C bar is what? 3I plus 6j by magnitude of that vector is 3 root 5. So 3 take common from the numerator, I plus 2j by 3 root 5. So 3 get cancelled. You will get the required vector is minus of I bar plus 2j by root 5. This is the way you can do that, dear students. Whatever I am keeping in the boxes which will help you learning the formulas indirectly, which is very important. We'll move to the question number 10. In this question number 10, given A bar B bar, then show that A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar are perpendicular to each other. To show the given vectors are perpendicular, the dot product should be equal to 0. So if you prove that the dot product of the respective vectors is 0, then the vector should be perpendicular. So first, given vectors A bar equal to I plus 2j minus 3k and B bar equal to 3i minus j plus 2k. So first they are asking to calculate the sum of the vectors A bar plus B bar. So adding the respective I bar plus 3i bar, 4i bar, 2j bar minus j bar is plus j bar. Next minus 3k plus 2k minus k. Similarly, A bar minus B bar, so I bar minus 3i means minus 2i. 2j minus of minus j, so 2j plus j is 3j. Minus 3k minus 2k minus 5k. So, consider the dot product of these two. Consider A bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar. So vectors first to write it 4i plus j minus k dot minus 2i plus 3j minus 5k. So the dot product of two vectors also we need to know that A bar equal to a1i plus a2j plus a3k, B bar equal to b1i plus b2j plus b3k, then A bar dot B bar equal to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. So here also 4 into minus 2 plus 1 into 3 plus minus 1 into minus 5. So minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. Sorry, plus 5. So minus 8 plus 8, 0 only. So the dot product of two vectors are 0. So A bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar equal to 0. That implies that A bar plus B bar perpendicular to A bar minus B bar. Hence proved, or hence the result. The next question, if P bar equal to 2 and Q bar equal to 3 and the angle between P bar and Q bar is lambda by 6 is not that, but it is pi by 6, it is a pi. Then find P bar cross Q bar. So here given magnitude of the vector mod P bar equal to 2, comma mod Q bar equal to 3 and angle between them. So angle between P bar comma Q bar equal to, that is equal to theta equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. We know that, or we have A bar cross P bar, here P bar cross Q bar, the cross product of two vectors equal to mod P bar into mod Q bar into sine of angle between P bar comma Q bar. So mod P bar is 2 into mod Q bar is 3 into sine 30 degrees. So 2 3s are 6 into sine 30 is 1 by 2, which is equal to 3. So P bar cross Q bar is equal to 3. Mod P bar cross Q bar equal to mod 3, squaring on both sides. So mod P bar cross Q bar is whole square is equal to 3 square is 9. So that's what they are asking. So mod P bar cross Q bar whole square is equal to 9. We'll move to the question number 12. The next question number 12. Prove that cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees equal to cot 36 degrees. First you have to consider LHS cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees divided by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees is equal to cos 9 degrees take common from the numerator. So 1 plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees. Similarly, from the denominator, cos 9 degrees take common 1 minus sin 9 degrees divided by cos 9 degrees. So cos 9 degrees get cancelled. 1 plus sin by cos tan 9 degrees by 1 minus tan 9 degrees. It is in the form of 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. This should be equal to tan of 45 plus theta. It is in the form of here only I will mention that 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta can be written as tan of 45 plus theta. So here theta, in place of theta what value is there? 9 degrees is there. So tan of 45 degrees plus 9 degrees, that is equal to tan of 14.5 plus 9, 54 degrees. But they are asking to prove in terms of cot na. So tan theta can be written as cot of 90 minus. So can we write like this? Tan of 90 minus 54, how much we have to subtract? 36. So tan of 90 minus theta, cot theta only, no? Cot 36 degrees, which is required RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Once again I will show that this is the very important point, turning point. This is the basic formula. So we'll move to the question number 13. The question number 13 is find the period of the function defined by f of x equal to tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus and so on n square x. So first, the given function f of x is equal to tan of x plus 4x plus 9x square plus and so on n square x, that is equal to tan of x take common 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus and so on plus n square. So tan of x into 1 plus 1 can be written as 1 square, 4 can be written as 2 square, plus 3 can be written as 3 square, plus and so on plus n square. This is sum of the squares of first n terms only, no? We know that formula. One square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square is equal to sigma n square. That is also n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula. So in place of the bracket, tan of x into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So this is about f of x. The period of tan AX is, here also very important point, the period of tan AX is pi by mod A. For this, still here 1 mark. What is A in this? This bracket value is A. Therefore, the period of f of x, the period of f of x is pi by A. A value is what? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So, denominator of denominator it will become a numerator. So, 6 pi by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. This is the required the period of the given function. Let us move to the question number 14. In this question number 14, this is related to hyperbolic trigonometry functions. Is a good question. From this, in 2022, we have 2 plus 4 marks in this. So, given sin hx value, they are asking to find cos h to x and sin h to x. We need to learn the formulas, dear students, from this. So, given sin hx is equal to 3 pi by 4. So, from that we have the inequality. We know that WKT means we know that cos h square x is equal to 1 plus sin h square x. So, from this cos hx is equal to under root of 1 plus sin h square x. So, square root of 1 plus sin h square x means 3 by 4 whole square. So, square root of 1 plus 9 by 16, square root of 16 plus 9 divided by 16, root of 25 by 16, which is equal to 5 by 4. This is cos hx. So, cos hx value we know that, and sin hx value also we know that. So, what they are asking to find? The first question in this, cos h to x. Cos h to x is equal to cos h to x formula. What is the formula for cos h to x? In terms of sin, sin is given now. 1 plus 2 sin h square x. This is the formula for cos h to x. So, 1 plus 2 into sin hx whole square only, no. So, 3 by 4 whole square. 1 plus 2 into 9 by 16. So, 2 ones are 2 8s are. So, 8 LCM, 8 plus 9. So, 17 by 8. This is cos h to x. Similarly, sin h to x. Sin h to x is equal to 2 sin hx cos hx. So, 2 into sin hx value 3 by 4, cos hx value 5 by 4. So, 2 ones are 2 twos are. 5 threes are 15 by 8, 4 twos are 8. Therefore, sin h to x is equal to 15 by 8. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to the next question and last question in VSEQs. So, here given that cos hx is equal to secant theta. So, they are asking to prove tan h square x by 2 is equal to tan square theta by 2. So, LHS you have to consider. What is LHS? Tan h square x by 2. So, formula for tan h square x by 2 is cos hx minus 1 divided by cos hx plus 1. Cos hx value is given as what? Secant theta minus 1 by secant theta plus 1. So, secant theta means 1 by cos theta minus 1 by 1 by cos theta plus 1. Take LCM, numerator and denominator. 1 minus cos theta by cos theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta divided by cos theta. Here cos theta get cancelled. 1 minus cos theta, that means 2 sin square theta by 2 by 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Sin square theta by cos square theta by 2 is tan square theta by 2. Therefore, they are asking to prove this is required RHS. Therefore, conclusion, tan h square x by 2 is equal to tan square theta by 2. Hence, proved. Thank you, dear students. We'll move on to the section B. Yeah, now we enter into the section B, dear students. In section B, all are SAQs. That means each carries 4 marks. From question number 16 to question number 27, which are SAQs, short answer type questions. From these 12 questions, you have to write any 5. So, let us have the discussion. The first question here in this session, that means in this session means in the section B, 16 question. Question number 16. If I equal to 1001 and E equal to 0100, then show that AI plus BE whole cube equal to A cube I plus 3A square BE. So first, AI plus BE, I value, E value is already given. So, but still you have to write the matter. Given I is equal to 1001 and E is equal to 0100. Next, AI plus BE whole cube. That means first AI you can calculate. AI is equal to A times of 1001. So multiply each and every term with A. So A into 1, A into 0, A into 0, A into 1. Next BE. So B into E. So small b into E value 0100. That is equal to 0B00. After getting up these values, you need to calculate AI plus BE first. So the sum of these two matrices AI, that is A00A plus BE 0B00. So corresponding elements you have to add. So A plus 0, 0 plus B, 0 plus 0, A plus 0. So which is equal to A plus 0 is A, 0 plus B and 0 and A. This is about AI plus BE. But they are asking AI plus BE whole cube. So AI plus BE whole square you need to calculate is equal to AI plus BE into AI plus BE. So which is equal to AB 0A, AB 0A. So actual multiplication A into A square plus 0 into B 0, A into B. So once again I will write it A square into 0, A into B AB plus B into A AB. Next 0 into a and 0 into g, so 0 plus 0. Next 0 into b plus a into a square. So a square ab plus ab to ab plus 0 plus a square. This is about ai plus be whole square, but we want ai plus be whole cube now. So ai plus be whole cube is equal to ai plus be whole square into ai plus be. So which is equal to a square to ab 0 a square into ai plus be value ab 0a. So here also actual multiplication, we need to a square into a cube plus 0 a square into b a square b plus 2a square b 0 into a 0 plus a square into 0 0 into b 0 plus a square into a cube. So a cube a square b plus a square b 3a square b 0, so a cube. This is equation number 1, ai plus be whole cube, equation number 1. And what is RHS? This is about LHS, we got it. Next, a cube I plus 3a square b into e. A cube I 3a square b into e. A cube into I 1001 plus 3a square b into e value 0a 0 0 0 0 1 0 0, sorry, e value here 1. So each and every element multiplying by a cube into 1 0 0 a cube plus 0 3a square b 0 0. So corresponding elements you have to add a cube plus 0 0 plus 3a square b 0 plus 0, so a cube plus 0, which is equal to a cube 3a square b 0 a cube, equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get ai plus be whole cube is equal to a cube I plus 3a square b into capital E. Hence proved. I hope easy to understand every student this question. We move to the next one. Yeah, question number 17. Show that A is non-singular and find A inverse. So first, given A is equal to 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 1 2. Find out the determinant of this matrix. So det A is equal to, so we know that how to proceed. Determinant of 1 2 1 3 2 3 and 1 1 2. So the expansion is, we know that plus minus plus 1 into 4 minus 3 minus 2 into 6 minus 3 plus 1 into 3 minus 2. 1 minus 2 into 3 plus 1. So 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4, which is not equal to 0. So whenever determinant of A is not equal to 0, that implies A is non-singular. So out of 4 marks till here, you will get 1 mark. For the remaining procedure, 3 marks. So to calculate A inverse, we need to calculate the cofactors of A. Cofactors of A, like this big matrix I am taking. In this, for the first element 1, the cofactor is plus determinant of 2, 3, 1, 2. We know that for the element 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, minus for the second element determinant, the cofactor is 3, 3, 1, 2. Next, plus determinant of 3, 2, 1, 1. So the cofactor of 3 is minus determinant of 2, 1, 1, 2. Here plus 1, 1, 1, 2. Here minus. For the cofactor of 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. For the cofactor of 1, for the cofactor of 1 here, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. Minus. For the cofactor of 1, 1, 1, 3, 3. For the cofactor of 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. So find out the determinant here. 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 plus 1 only. 6 minus 3 is 3 minus 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 1, 3 into minus, so minus 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 2, minus 1, minus of minus plus 1. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 6, minus 4. This is about cofactors of A. So from this, adjoint A is equal to the transpose of cofactors of A. So therefore, adjoint A is equal to transpose of this matrix 1 minus 3 1 minus 3 1 1 4 0 minus 4, that is equal to 1 minus 3 4 minus 3 1 0 1 1 minus 4. So this is about adjoint of A. I hope you understand this, students. Therefore, the formula for A inverse is equal to adjoint A divided by det A. So adjoint 1 by det A value minus 4 into adjoint A. 1 minus 3 4 minus 3 1 0 1 1 minus 4. That's all answer. This is the inverse of the matrix. The next question, number 18. A and B values are given. They are asking to find B minus A and 4A minus 5B. So simple question, but we need to concentrate on this while doing this answer. So first, given A and B, even while copying values from the question paper to the answer sheet, also be aware, dear students. A equal to 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 5, 6. Add capital B equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. Find B minus A. So first B minus A. So B matrix minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1 minus A matrix 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. So corresponding elements you have to subtract. Minus 1 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. So 0 minus 2, 1 minus 3, 0 minus 4. So 0 minus 4, 0 minus 5, minus 1 minus 6. So B minus A is equal to minus 1, 1, 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This is about B minus A. Next they are asking 4A minus 5B. 4A minus 5B. So 4 times of A matrix 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Minus 5 times of B matrix minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. So which is equal to 4 times of this, each and every element multiplying by 4. Sorry, 0 into 4 is 0, 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 8, 12, 16, 16, 20, 24, minus each and every element multiplying by 5. So minus 5, 10, 15, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, minus 5. So 4A minus 5B is equal to 0 minus of minus 5, 5, 4 minus 10, minus 6, 8 minus 15, minus 7, 8 minus of minus 8 minus 0, 8, 12 minus 5, 7, 16 minus 0, 16, 16 minus 0, 16, 20 minus 0, 20, 24 minus of minus 5, 29. This is about 4A minus 5B and B minus A. Move to the next question, dear students, that is question number 19. The next question number 19. Let A, B, C, D, E, F be regular hexagon with center O. Show that AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar is equal to 3 times of AD bar, which is also equal to 6 times of AO bar. See here, the figure is very much required here. ABCD rectangular regular hexagon. This is the regular hexagon. Join these two. Next, join these two also. So this is O, A, this is B, this is C, this is D, C, D, this is E, this is F, see, whenever ABCD is the regular hexagon, in the solution step you need to, this is the figure you have to draw. A, B, C, D, E, F being regular hexagon. GON only it is hexagon. Regular hexagon means all sides are equal. That is the information. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DE is equal to EF is equal to FA or AF. All are equal. And O is the center. O is the center, and it is, whenever it is a center, O is midpoint of the diagonals AD also. Center, then from figure AD can be written as AO plus OD, since O is midpoint. Why? Because it's the center, midpoint. O is midpoint of AD, then AO is equal to OD. So AO is equal to OD, no? So AD can be written as OD, in place of OD also AO, write it AO plus AO to AO, since AO is equal to OD. So 2 times of AO. So wherever AD is there, we require you take it as 2AO. All are like bars. Why? Because magnitude, all lengths are equal like this. You can take it. So I hope you understand till here. Now consider LHS. In LHS, AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE plus AF. Here only twist is there, dear students. AB plus AE. Why we are taking these two only, I will explain here. AB plus AE, keep in bracket, plus AC and AF plus AD. So from triangular law of vectors, AB and AE, AB plus AE. So from this, from the figure, AE is equal to BD. Why? Because they are equal here. AE is equal to BD. from the figure. So in place of AE, AB plus in place of AE, BD I am writing plus similarly AC is also equal to AF. AF is also equal to CD. So these two are also equal. All are equal only, no? So here in place of AC I am taking in place of not AC, AD. AC plus AF, no? So AF is equal to AD. AF is equal to CD. From the figure. So AC plus AF value is CD plus AD. Sir, why sir you are only changing these values? Means by triangular law of vectors, AB plus BD, AB plus BD is equal to AD. So by triangular law of vectors, AB plus BD is equal to AD. It will becomes AD. Plus again AC plus CD is equal to AD. Again by triangular law of vectors, this is also AD. Already AD is there, so 3 times of AD. So one of the question over. Again AD can be written as AD is equal to from star here. So that also can be written 3 times of 2 times of AO. That is equal to 6 times of AO, which is required RHS. So once again I'll repeat, AB plus BC, AC plus AD plus AE plus AF. In that AE I am taking AB and AE, AC and AF, AD separately I have taken. AB plus AE. AE is equal to from the figure BD and AF is equal to from the figure CD. These sides, this one is equal to this one. AF is equal to CD. So why we are taking only that one means AB plus BD is equal to AD by using triangular law of vectors, and AC plus CD is also equal to AD, again triangular law of vectors, plus AD. So AD plus AD plus AD, 3AD. So AD is equal to from star mark here 2 into AO bar, that is equal to 3 to the 6, 6 into AO bar, which is required RHS. I hope you understand, dear students. Slowly you can go through that once again. We'll move on to next question number 20. The vector equation of plane passing through the points. So when 3 points is available, how to find out the equation of plane? We have the formula, standard formula. First you have to write the vectors names, given vectors. Let us consider as A bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k, B bar is equal to minus 5j minus k, and C bar equal to minus 3i plus 5j. So the vector equation of plane, the formula we write it for this. The vector equation of plane passing through the points A bar, B bar and C bar is R bar equal to 1 minus S minus T into A bar plus SB bar plus TC bar, where S comma T belongs to real numbers. So substitute the values r bar equal to 1 minus s minus t into a bar is I minus 2j plus 3k plus s value s into b bar minus 5i minus k minus 5j. Next plus tc t into c bar minus 3i plus 5j. No need to simplify, you can leave it like this. Otherwise, one thing you have to do, r bar equal to first 1 into I bar j bar vectors, we write it. So 1 into this value I minus 2j plus 3k. Next plus s, if you take out common, minus I minus 5j. Next that's all, only s values minus I. Here minus into minus, minus 2 plus 2j minus 5j, so minus 3j will come. So direct step it is. Next k terms, minus 3k minus k minus 4k. So here minus s into 3k minus 3s, so k term so 1 is okay, minus I bar minus 2s into j minus 3k, so minus 5j, so this is 3j, okay, minus sk. Here k term is not there, only s terms if you take it, so only 5j, and k terms also we want now. So here minus 3s minus k, here there is no k term here, so only minus 4, so minus not minus 6k, it won't come. So it will be, otherwise you can leave it, not compulsory to write it now. Why? Because here each and every term we can write it. Better to keep it like this only. Why? Because simplification means it will take time. Even if you simplify and write it, you will get the same marks, and there is no link in that. First, for writing formula, for writing given given vectors 1 mark and formula 1 mark, value substitute and write it, 1 or 2 marks. So like this way they will give it. I hope you understand. We'll move on to the next question, number 21. In this question number 21, find, if the vectors are perpendicular to each other, find lambda. Two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is equal to 0. So that concept only we are applying. Given vectors a bar equal to 2i plus lambda j minus k. Here compare with the a1, a2, a3. a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to lambda, a3 is equal to minus 1, and b bar is equal to 4i minus 2j plus 2k. Here a2 is equal, b1 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 2, b3 is equal to 2. Since A bar is perpendicular to B bar, that implies that A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. That implies A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 is equal to 0. So the respective value substitute 2 into 4 plus lambda into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 2 equal to 0. So that implies 8 minus 2 lambda minus 2 equal to 0. 8 minus 2 6. 6 minus 2 lambda equal to 0. That implies that 6 is equal to 2 lambda. That implies lambda is equal to 3. So 2 1s are 2 3s are lambda is equal to 3. I hope you understand this, students. We'll move on to the next question. So in the question number 22, find the unit vector perpendicular to both I bar plus j bar plus k bar and 2I bar plus j bar plus 3k bar. Here first we need to learn the formula. The unit vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar is plus or minus A bar cross B bar divided by modulus of A bar cross B bar. So we need to calculate the cross product of A bar and B bar and the magnitude. So first, given vectors A bar equal to I plus j plus k and B bar equal to 2I plus j plus 3k. So A bar cross B bar I j k 1 1 1 2 1 3. So I into 3 minus 1 minus j into 3 minus 2 plus k into 1 minus 2. So 2I minus j minus k. So therefore A bar cross B bar is equal to 2I minus j minus k. So the magnitude of A bar cross B bar equal to square root of 2 square plus minus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square, that is equal to square root of 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 6. Therefore apply the formula. The unit vector perpendicular to both vectors is plus or minus A bar cross B bar by mod A bar cross B bar, that is equal to plus or minus 2I minus j minus k by root 6. I hope everyone understands, students. We will move on to the next question, number 23. The next question, dear students. If a is not an integral multiple of pi by 2, then prove that. First question, tan a plus cot a equal to 2 cosecant 2a, cot a minus tan a equal to 2 cot 2a. This type of question is called conceptual question. If you know the trigonometry formulas, you are able to do this question. Otherwise you cannot. So conceptual question, they may chances to ask in that exam. So here the first question, LHS tan A plus cot A. So cot A in terms of tan you have to convert tan A plus 1 by tan A. After taking LCM, tan A is the LCM, tan A into tan A, tan square A plus 1. So we can write as numerator is there now 1 plus tan square A, that we can write as a denominator of a denominator. So 1 by tan A by 1 plus tan square A. So here multiplying and dividing by 2. So multiplying by 2, dividing by 2. So the denominator 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square is the formula for sin 2A in terms of tan. So 2 by sin 2A. So that is equal to 2 into 1 by sin 2A is cosecant 2A, which is required RHS. So tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosecant 2A. Similarly, the second question, what is the second question? Cot A, LHS, sorry. Cot A minus tan A is equal to, cot A means 1 by tan A minus tan A, which is equal to tan A LCM. So 1 minus tan square A. Again here also multiplying and dividing by 2 and write the numerator as denominator of a denominator. 1 by tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Multiplying and dividing by 2, 2 by 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A, which is equal to 2 by 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A is the formula for tan 2A. So 1 by tan 2A is cot 2A only. 2 into cot 2A, which is required RHS in the second question. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move to the another important question. Find the range of 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. So first the given function you can take as let f of x is equal to 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. Compare with f of x as a cos x plus b sin x plus c. So here mention that ABC values. Here a is equal to 7, b is equal to minus 24, c is equal to 5. For this f of x, maxima and minima values. Maximum value, minimum value. Maximum value is what? C plus root over a square plus b square. Minimum value c minus root over a square plus b square. So calculate the values of root of a square plus b square also. So root of a square, 7 square means 49 plus b square minus 24 whole square, 576. So root of 576 plus 49, that means 625. Root 625 is 25. Now 1 by 1. maximum value. Range means what? Maximum and minimum values only. So calculate the values of 5 plus 25, that is equal to 30. Here 5 minus 25 minus 20. Therefore the range of f of x is equal to, so minimum value and maximum value. So c minus that value is minus 20, c plus that value is 30. So this is the range of the given f of x. I hope everyone understand. We'll move on to the next concept, next question. Question number 25, which is from hyperbolic trigonometry function. From this hyperbolic trigonometry functions, we have one VSAQ and one SAQ compulsory. It comes from this topic. So here also consider LHS. In trigonometry, dear students, most of the questions based on formulas only. So first cos hx by 1 minus tan hx plus sin hx divided by 1 minus cot hx, which is equal to cos hx by 1 minus tan hx is sin hx by cos hx plus sin hx 1 minus cot hx, cos hx divided by sin hx. So cos hx divided by cos hx minus sin hx plus sin hx by cos here LCM is sin hx में sin hx minus cos hx. So denominator of denominator numerator, so cos h square x by cos hx minus sin hx. So here sin hx minus cos hx is there in the numerator. Before that I will sin hx denominator of denominator, it will become numerator sin h square x by sin hx minus cos hx. So which is equal to, this can be done as cos h square x by cos hx minus sin hx. Here if you interchange these values, here minus will come, sin h square x divided by cos hx minus sin hx. So denominator is same, you can and take the LCM, cos hx minus sin hx. So cos h square x minus sin h square x. So from identity of trigonometry, so hyperbolic trigonometry, this can be written as cos hx plus sin hx into cos hx minus sin hx whole divided by cos hx minus sin hx. So these two will be cancelled. The rest of the term is cos hx plus sin hx, which is required RHS. So this is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b I wrote. Denominator also a minus b is get cancelled. So numerator is only RHS, which is cos hx plus sin hx. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to the question number 26. So question number 26 is related to properties of triangles. Here also consider LHS and getting RHS. cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2, that is equal to cot A by 2 S into S minus A divided by delta, cot B by 2 S into S minus B by delta plus S into S minus C by delta. So S by delta, take common from all the terms and write it to the rest of the terms, S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C. So S plus S 3S, S by delta into 3S minus of A plus B plus C. But we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. So which is equal to S by delta into 3S minus 2S, which is equal to S by delta into S, that is equal to S square by delta, which is required RHS. I hope everyone understands, students. We will move on to the next question and last question in this session. Section B questions. If sin theta equal to, like these 3 questions are there in the textbook and examples, so compulsory 1 question guarantee from this type of question. Given sin theta equal to A by B plus C, so then show that cos theta. So sin theta is there, means obviously you can calculate the cos theta value. So we have cos theta equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta A by B plus C whole square, which is equal to root over 1 minus A square by B plus C whole square. So that also can be written as B plus C whole square. So B plus C whole square minus A square. It is in the form of A plus B into A minus B, root of B plus C plus A into B plus C minus A by B plus C whole square. So A plus B plus C means 2S. Here also we have to add and subtract 1A, otherwise we can write like this. A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. So B plus C can be written as 2S minus A. So in place of B plus C, 2S minus A, 2S minus A minus A by B plus C whole square. So which is equal to root of 2S into 2S minus 2A, 2 take common S minus A by B plus C whole square. So 2 to the 4, we can take outside 2 by B plus C. So root of S into S minus A is there. After that, what we have to do is multiplying and dividing by root BC. Multiplying and dividing by root BC to get the formula format, which is equal to 2 by B plus C. So here S into S minus A root BC multiplying and dividing by BC. You take it these two as one term. So 2BC by B plus C, root A by root B, you can write it as S into S minus A by BC. S into S minus A by BC is equal to cos square A by 2 is equal to S into S minus A by BC. But cos A by 2 means what? Square root of only no? S into S minus A by BC. So that is equal to 2BC by B plus C. This value is equal to cos A by 2. So this is about cos theta is equal to 2BC, root BC. So 2 root BC by B plus C into cos A by 2. Hence proved the result what they asked to prove that we got it the answer. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you all, dear students. We'll meet in the next section C from 28 to 37. Thank you all. Yeah, hello dear students. So we enter into the section C. In section C, we have 10 questions from 28 question to 37 questions. You have to write any 5 questions. Each carries 7 marks. So let us have a discussion. The first question: if f equal to 1 comma 2, 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 1, then find 2f, 2 plus f, f square and root f. These type of questions is very important. We need to practice this type of questions. Simple questions, easy to get 7 marks in functions. So first, given f of x, we have to write it. Given f equal to 1 comma 2, 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 1. In this first question, they are asking 2f. That means here 1 comma 2 means 1 is in domain, 2 is in codomain. So to get 2f, for codomain values you have to multiplying by 2. So that is the meaning of 2f. So 1 comma 2 into 2, 2 comma 2 into minus 3, 3 comma 2 into minus 1. So which is equal to 1 comma 4, 2 comma minus 6, 3 comma minus 2. That's all. That is the value of 2f. They are asking next question is 2 plus f. So 2 plus f meaning is for the codomain elements you have to add 2. So 2 plus f is equal to, so 1 comma 2 plus already 2 is there. Next 2 comma 2 minus 3, 3 comma 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1 comma 4, 2 comma minus 1, 3 comma 1. Next f square they are asking. Third question, f square. F square means for codomain element you have to square it. So 1 comma 2 is there, so we can write as 1 comma 2 square. Next 2 comma minus 3 whole square. Next 3 comma minus 1 whole square, which is equal to 1 comma 4, 2 comma 9, 3 comma 1. Next after f square, root f, the last one. Root f means for codomain elements you have to take root. So 1 comma root 2. Next 2 comma root minus 3. 3 comma root minus 1. So in this a root of negative values cannot be exist now. So what will be exist? Only 1 comma root 2 is only possible. Root minus 3, root minus 1 cannot be exist. So that is the reason we cannot write it. Root minus 3, root minus 1 not possible. So this is the answer. We will move on to the next question, number 29. In question number 29, 3a equal to 1 minus 2 1, 0 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 1. Then find a cube minus 3a square minus a minus 3i, where I is a unit matrix of order 3. So I3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So a value is given means we need to calculate a square and a cube. After that, take LHS and get RHS value. Find value means consider that a cube minus 3a square minus a minus 3a, getting the answer. So first, given a is equal to 1 minus 2 1, 0 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 1. Next you have to calculate a square. A square means what? A into a. So which is equal to a square, I am writing here. 1 minus 2 1, 0 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 1 into 1 minus 2 1, 0 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 1. So actual multiplication. First row, first column, 1 into 1, minus 2 into 0, 1 into 3. Next 1 into minus 2, first row, second column, minus 2 into 1, 1 into minus 1, 1 into 1, 1 into minus 2 into minus 1, 1 into 1. Next second row, first column, 0 0 minus 3, 0 into minus 2, 1 into 1, minus 1 into minus 1. Next 0 into 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into 1. 3 into 1, minus 1 into 0, 1 into 3. Next 3 into minus 2, third row, second column, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Next 3 into 1, 3 into 1, next minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 1 into 1. So which is equal to 1 plus 3, 4, minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5, 4 minus 3, 2 minus 2. Next 6 minus 8, 5. This is about a square. Next a cube we can calculate. So a cube is equal to a square into a. A square value we got it now. This one. 4 minus 5, 4 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 6 minus 8, 5 into 1 minus 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 1, which is equal to, now actual multiplication directly, 4 plus 0 plus 12. So 4 plus 0 plus 12. Next 4 into minus 2, minus 8, minus 5, minus 4. 4 into 1, minus into minus plus 5, plus 4 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 0 minus 6 minus 3 into minus 2 6 2 into 1 minus 2 into minus plus 2. So next minus 3 into 1 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into 1. Next 6 into 1 minus 8 into 0 15. Next 6 into minus 2 minus 12 minus 8 into 1 5 into minus 5. 6 into 1 minus 8 into minus 1 plus 8 plus 5. So a cube value, a cube equal to 12 plus 4 16 minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 minus 8 minus 17 8 plus 5 13 here minus 9 10 next minus 7 21 minus 25 19. So a square we got it and a cube also we got it. Now a cube minus 3a square minus a minus 3i, that value. Now consider a cube minus 3a square minus a, 3a square minus a minus 3i minus 3i. So a cube means this matrix 16 minus 17 13 minus 9 10 minus 7 21 minus 25 19 minus 3 into a square value. A square value we got it now here 4 minus 5 4 minus 3 2 minus 2 6 minus 8 5 minus a minus a value 1 minus 2 1 0 1 minus 1 3 minus 1 1 minus 3i 3 into I means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So 16 minus 17 13 minus 9 10 minus 7 21 minus 25 19 minus each and every term of this bracket value, that means matrix, multiplying by 3. So 12 minus 15 12 minus 9 6 minus 6 18 minus 24 15. Next minus 1 minus 2 1 0 1 minus 1 3 minus 1 1 minus 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. So which is equal to, so corresponding elements you have to subtract and add 16 minus 12 minus 1 minus 3. Next minus 17 plus 15 plus 2 plus 0. Next 13 minus 12 minus 1 minus 0. Next minus 9 plus 9 minus 0 minus 0. Next 10 minus 6 minus 1 minus 3. Next minus 7 plus 6 plus 1 minus 0. Next 21 minus 18 minus 3 minus 0. Next minus 25 plus 24 plus 1 minus 0. Next 19 minus 15 minus 1 minus 3. So which is equal to 16 minus 16, 0. 17 minus 17, 13 minus 13, 9 minus 9, 0. All are zeros. 10 minus 10, 7 minus 7, 21 minus 21, 25 minus 24. Here 19 minus 19. So all are 0. So 0 matrix. Therefore we conclude that a cube minus 3a square minus a minus 3i is equal to 0. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. The next question number 30. Solve the following system of equations by Cramer's rule. In this Cramer's rule, first you have to write the given system of equations and write the values of a, x and d. So given system of equations, x plus y plus z is equal to 1, 2x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6, and x plus 4y plus 9z is equal to 3. The above system of equations, system of linear equations or system of equations simply can be written as ax is equal to d, where a is equal to coefficient matrix. Their x, y, z coefficients we are writing as a matrix. So in the first equation, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient. In second equation, 2, 2, 3. In third equation, 1, 4, 9. Capital X is equal to solution matrix, that is x, y, z. And constant matrix, capital D is equal to 1, 6, 3. First, whether solution exists or not by finding the determinant of A. That means det A calculated, dear students. Det A is equal to, so determinant of this matrix, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9. So which is equal to 1 into 18 minus 12 minus 1 into 18 minus 3 plus 1 into 8 minus 2. So which is equal to 18 minus 12 is 6 into 1, 18 minus 3, 15 minus 15, 8 minus 2, 6 plus 6. 12 minus 15 minus 3. So therefore det A is equal to minus 3 should not be equal to 0 means solution will be exist. So after that det A value we got it. Det A we can denote it by delta, that is equal to minus 3. Keep in mind, dear students. Next, calculate in the Cramer's rule. They are asking here Cramer's rule. So in the Cramer's rule, xyz how to it will come? Delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 calculate. So delta 1 is equal to determinant of the first column was replaced by constant matrix 163. The first column replaced with 163. The remaining second column, third column as it is 124, 139, which is equal to 1 into 18 minus 12 minus 1 into 9 6 54 minus 9 plus 1 into 24 minus 6. 18 minus 2 is 6 into 1. 54 minus 9, 43. No, not 43. 45. That to minus 45. 24 minus 6. So 18 plus 18. So 18 plus 6, 24. 24 minus 45 minus 21. So delta 1 is equal to minus 21. Next, delta 2 you can calculate. Delta 2 is equal to first column as it is 1 to 1. Second column was replaced with constant matrix D 163. Third column as it is 139. Now find out determinant 1 into 54 minus 9 minus 1 into 18 minus 3 plus 1 into 6 minus 6. 54 minus 9. So 54 minus 9. 45. That 2 plus 45. 18 minus 3. 15. 15 to minus 1. Minus 15. 6 minus 6. 0. So 45 minus 15 is 30. So therefore delta 2 is equal to 30. Next, delta 3 calculate. Delta 3, that means third column was replaced with constant matrix. First column is 1 to 1. Second column is 1 to 4. Third column is 163, which is constant matrix. Now calculate 1 into 6 minus 24 minus 1 into 6 minus 6 plus 1 into 8 minus 2. So which is equal to minus 18 minus 0 plus 6, which is equal to minus 12. Therefore delta 3 is equal to minus 12. After getting the values of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, so solution matrix we need to calculate na. So therefore x is equal to delta 1 by delta, that is equal to delta 1 value 21 minus 21 divided by minus 3, that is equal to 7. Y is equal to delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 value is 30. 30 by minus 3. So minus 10. So Z is equal to delta 3 by delta. So minus 12 divided by minus 3, which is equal to 4. Therefore the solution of given system of equations by Cramer's rule is capital D is equal to, capital X is equal to X, Y, Z, that is equal to 7 minus 10, 4. So whether it is satisfying or not, in first equation x plus y plus z is equal to 1, if you substitute, just this is a verification, not compulsory, dear students, just verification whether our answer is correct or not. In the first equation x plus y plus z is equal to 1 is there. So x value 7, y value minus 10, z value plus 4. So 11 minus 10, which is equal to 1. So first equation we got it now. X plus y plus z is equal to 1. It satisfies, means this is the right answer. Therefore, this is the solution. No need to do that verification. Till here only enough. I hope you understand, dear students. We will move on to the next question, number 31. In question number 31, the question is related to matrix inversion method. In matrix inversion method, the given system of equations write in the form of Ax equal to D, x is equal to A inverse D. Given system of equations two x minus y plus 3z is equal to 9, x plus y plus z is equal to 6, and x minus y plus z is equal to 2. The above system of equations can be written as Ax is equal to D. From that, x is equal to A inverse D, where x is solution matrix, A inverse is the inverse of the matrix. To exist inverse here, what are A, what is B, what is D, what is X here, where capital A is equal to coefficient matrix 2 minus 1 3, 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 1. Capital X is equal to x y z, and D is equal to 962. So in the matrix inversion method, to exist the inverse, we need to calculate the determinant of A. So det A first we can calculate 2 into, directly I am writing 2 into 1 minus of minus 1. Already minus 1 is there now, so minus of minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 into 2 4, 0, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore, det A is equal to minus 2 should not be equal to 0. That implies A inverse exists. After that, inverse of the matrix you can calculate. Inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix means for every element, cofactors we need to calculate. So A inverse formula is what? 1 by det A into adjoint A. So adjoint of A, before going to calculate adjoint of A, cofactors of A we can calculate. Cofactors of A. So like See here, cofactors of A. So first plus cofactor of element 2 we are writing 1 1 minus 1 1 minus mod cofactor of minus 1, cofactor of minus 1 1 1 1 1. Next cofactor of 3 plus 1 1 1 minus 1. Next cofactor of 1 minus mod cofactor of 1 minus 1 3 minus 1 1 plus for cofactor of 1 2 3 1 1 minus cofactor of so cofactor of 1 here in the second row third column element you can eliminate 2 minus 1 1 minus 1. Next cofactor of 1 here plus so minus 1 3 1 1 here minus cofactor of minus 1 so 2 3 1 1 plus cofactor of 1 2 minus 1 1 1. So for these values we need to calculate 1 minus of minus 1 1 plus 1 2 2 into plus 1 so 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 3 so minus 1 plus 3 means 2 2 into minus minus 2 2 minus 3 minus 1 next minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus once again 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 minus 1 into minus plus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 2 minus of minus 1 2 plus 1 3. After getting cofactors matrix adjoint A is equal to adjoint A is equal to transpose of cofactors matrix. So cofactor matrix is 2 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 4 1 3 so which is equal to adjoint A. So 2 minus 2 minus 4 first column will become first row 0 minus 1 1 minus 2 1 3. After getting adjoint A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A which is equal to 1 by det A value is how much? Det A is equal to minus 2 we got it here. So minus 2 into adjoint A 2 minus 2 minus 4 0 minus 1 1 minus 2 1 3. After getting A inverse they are asking x value. X means solution of the matrix. X is equal to A inverse of D that is equal to A inverse means 1 minus 1 by 2 2 minus 2 minus 4 0 minus 1 1 minus 2, 1, 3 into D value, constant matrix. What is D here? 962. 962. 962. 3 rows are there, 1 column is there. Here 3 by 3. So the number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Then only multiplication is possible. So 3 by 1 is the required matrix. So minus 1 by 2 into, so actual multiplication. First row, first column. So like this only. So 3 by 1 will come. So that means 3 rows, 1 column. So 2 into 9, 18. Minus 2 into 6, minus 12. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8. 0 into 9, minus 1 into 6, plus 1 into 2. Minus 2 into 9, 18, minus 1 into 6, 3 into 6, 3 into 2. So which is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 20, 18. So minus 2, minus 4, minus 18 plus 12, minus 6. So each and every term dividing by minus 2. Minus 2 by minus 2, minus 4 by minus 2, minus 6 by minus 2, which is equal to 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the solution matrix, the solution of given system of equations, given system of equations by matrix inversion method is capital X is equal to X, Y, Z, that is equal to 1, 2, 3. So just verification, not compulsory to do that. Any one of the equation we can take it. X, Y, Z value is 1, 2, 3, no? Any one of the equation we can take it. So for example, third equation, X minus Y plus Z. X minus Y plus Z, that value substitute. X value 1, Y value minus 2 here, Y value 2 and Z value 3. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So this equation is equal to 2 or not? So X minus Y plus Z is equal to 2. Equation is correct. So our answer is right. This is the required solution, dear students. We'll move on to the next question. The next question, find the vector equation of the plane passing through the points 4i minus 3j minus k, 3i plus 7j minus 10k and 2i plus 5j minus 7k, and show that the point I plus 2j minus 3k lies on the plane. So here this question we can split into two parts. One is finding a vector equation of plane passing through 3 points, and second one is after getting the equation of plane, the point substitute in that and it satisfies, the point lies on the plane. So here observe carefully, dear students. First the vectors, given vectors we can write it. Let the vectors be OA bar, that is equal to small a bar, first vector you write it, that is 4i minus 3j minus k. OB equal to small b bar, which is equal to 3i plus 7j minus 10k. OC is equal to small c bar, that is equal to 2i plus 5j minus 7k, and the fourth vector OD, that is equal to small d bar, is equal to I plus 2j minus 3k. But the vector equation of passing through first 3 points only, no? So we know that the vector equation of plane passing through the points whose position vectors means PV, whose position vectors are OA, OB, OC is R bar equal to 1 minus S minus T into A bar means OA, plus SB bar plus TC bar, where T comma S belongs to real number. In this in place of A bar, B bar, C bar, that position vector substitute and write it. So for that 3 marks will come. So that is the respective value substitute. R bar equal to 1 minus S minus T into A bar value 4I minus 3J minus K plus S into B bar 3I plus 7J minus 10K plus T into C bar 2I plus 5J minus 7K. So vector equation of plane passing through 3 points is over. Next, what is our duty? They are asking to prove the point I plus 2J minus 3K lies on this plane. So that means these position vectors A bar, B bar, C bar and the point D I plus 2J minus 3K, which are lying on the same plane only, no? That means if you prove that these 4 points are coplanar, then the points lying on the same, that given points are the same plane. That means the 4th point is also lying on that. So to prove the points are coplanar, so OA, OB, OC and OD are position vectors of A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar OA, OB, OC, OD are position vectors of A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. So to prove the points are lying on the same, consider what for we are considering. To prove the points are on the same plane, consider box of AB, AC, AD. The meaning of AB, AC, AD is AB bar, how to calculate? OB minus OA. AB is equal to OB minus OA. So directly OB minus OA directly can subtract. 3I minus 4I is minus I. Next 7I minus of minus 10I will come. 10J, sorry. Next minus 10K plus K. So plus 9K. So this is about AB. Next, similarly AC. AC means OC minus OA. So OC vector 2i minus 4i is 2i. 5j minus of minus 3, so plus 8j. Minus 7k plus k, so minus 6k. Next, AD. OD minus OA. OD minus OA means OD minus I minus 4i minus 3i. 2j minus 5j minus 3j minus 3k plus 7k, so plus 4k. So these three vectors we need to prove coplanar. So box of AB, AC, AD is equal to determinant of their coefficients of AB, AC, AD minus 1, 10, 9, 2, 8, minus 6, minus 3, minus 3, 4, I, J, K. So box. If you prove this determinant value 0, 0 into anything is 0, the coplanar will come. That means the fourth point D also lying on that. So minus 1 into 32 minus 18 minus 10 into 8 minus 18 plus 9 into minus 6 plus 24. 32 minus 18. So here 14 minus 14 will come. 8 minus 18 is minus 10, minus into minus plus 10, 100. 24 minus 6 is 18, 18 into 9. That also plus will come, na? Yeah, but I'm getting called here, students. 1 minute. Yeah, we'll come to this next. Plus 9 into minus 6 plus 24. 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 9s are 162. 7 is 162. So here also OC minus OA, once I will check that OC minus OA. 2i minus 4i is minus 2i now here. That's why. So it will change it. Automatically it will change. Here minus 14, this will be okay. And here it will be 140 will come here. Why? Because the minus 10 into minus 8, minus 8, minus 18. So plus 18 will come now that time. Minus 8. So here also AD bar also once again I have to check it is AD bar OD minus OA. I minus 4 means minus 3i. 2j minus of minus plus 5i. So here only it is mistakes. Plus 5i it is 5j. 5j. Plus 5 will come. Next OD minus y is minus 3k plus k, minus 2k will come. So based on this it will change. So minus 1 into minus here it will be change, automatically it will change, minus 16 minus 18 minus 10 into 4 minus 18, next 9 into minus 10 will come. So 9 into minus 10 plus 24. So minus 14, this will be okay. 4 minus 18 is minus 14 into minus 10 plus 140. Next here 24 minus 10 is 14. 14 into 9. So plus 24 once again, 9 into, here also minus 9. I'm very sorry. So here OB minus OA means minus 10k plus k means minus 9. So very careful dear students while writing, it's very important. So minus 9 into that 14. So 126 will come. So minus 126 minus 14 minus 140. Minus 140 plus 140 means 0 only, no? Into I bar. So 0 into that any vector I, j, k. For all it will be continue for that. So AB, AC, AD equal to 0. That implies A, B, C, D are coplanar. Coplanar means so the points are lying on the same plane. Therefore, the OD equal to D bar point lies on the plane. This is the conclusion. Only dear students, you remember first by using first 3 points find equation of plane for the 3 marks. After that by using that 4 points, so first 3 points and last point, OA, OB, OC, OD, find position vectors of AB, AC, AD. AB means OB minus OA, AC means OC minus OA, AD means OD minus OA. After getting of this what, consider this like this and prove the points are coplanar. If the points are coplanar means the points are the same line, same plane. So that's why they are asking to prove that the same plane. No? So hence proved. Now next question. If A equal to 7i minus 2j plus 3k, B value and C also given, compute A bar cross B bar and A bar cross C bar and A bar cross B bar plus C bar. They are asking. So after that verify whether the cross product is distributive over vector addition or not. That we will verify by finding the values. So first what we have to do? First write it given vectors and find out A bar cross B bar, A bar cross C bar. Given vectors, first step. A bar equal to 7i minus 2j plus 3k. B bar equal to 2i plus 8k and C bar equal to I plus j plus k. The first one is A bar cross B bar. The first one, A bar cross B bar. We know that cross product how to do. First row I bar, J bar, K bar. A bar vectors 7, -2, 3. B bar vector 2, J is not there means 0, K is not is there 8. So how to expand 3 by 3 like this only we can do that. I bar into -16 -0 minus J bar into 56 -6 plus K bar into 0 minus of -4 plus 4, which is equal to -16I minus 50J plus 4K. This is about A bar cross B bar. Next, A bar cross C bar you can calculate. A bar cross C bar. So I, J, K. A bar means 7 -2, 3, C. C value 1 1 1 1, which is equal to I into -2 -3 minus J into 7 -3 plus K bar into 7 minus of -2 plus 2. So minus 5I, 7 minus the 4, 4 into minus 4J plus 9K. A bar cross B bar also over. Next B bar plus C bar you can calculate. Next B bar plus C bar. So the sum of the vectors B bar is 2I plus 0 into J plus 8 into K plus C bar vector I plus J plus K. So corresponding elements, corresponding I bar, J bar, K bar, since you can add 2I plus I is 3I, 0J plus J is J, 8K plus K 9K. This is about B bar plus C bar. Next, A bar cross B bar plus C bar. So the next one, A bar cross B bar plus C bar equal to I, J, K. A bar, so A means 7 -2, 3. 7 -2, 3. B bar plus C bar means 3 1 9, which is equal to I into -18 -3 minus J bar into 9 sevens are 63 minus 9 plus K bar into 7 minus of -6 plus 6 minus 21 into I. 63 minus 9, how much? 4, so 54. So minus 54J plus 13K. Keep that equation number 1. So this is about A bar cross B bar plus C bar. So they are asking to find the result, whether verify whether the cross product is distributive over vector addition or not. So now A bar cross B bar we calculated, A bar cross C bar also we calculated. After that we have to do the sum. A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. The sum of these two vectors is equal to equation 1. Then it is vector the cross product is distributive over vector addition. A bar cross B bar value is what? -16I minus 50J minus 16I minus 50J plus 4K plus A bar cross C bar. A bar cross C bar is -5I minus 4J plus 9k. So minus 16i minus 5i minus 21i minus 50 minus 4 minus 54j plus 4 plus 13k. So from 1 and 2, we get a bar cross b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar. We conclude that the cross product is distributive over vector addition. The cross product is, you have to mention here, the cross product is distributive over vector addition. We will move to the next question, dear students. The next question: if box of b bar c bar d bar plus box of c bar a bar d bar plus box of a bar b bar d bar equal to box of a bar b bar c bar, we have to prove. So for this, here then show that the points with position vectors a bar b bar c bar d bar are coplanar. So let O be the origin. Why? Because the position vector we can relate with the origin. Let O be the origin. Let capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D be the given points. Whenever points are there, for all the points A, B, C, D related to the O, position vectors we can form it. That is the reason we are assuming that let OA is equal to small a bar, OB is equal to small b bar, OC is equal to small c bar, and OD is equal to small d bar. Yeah, I hope I understand. Next, AB, BC. When the 4 points are coplanar, we conclude that AB, AC, AD, box of AB, AC, AD. In the previous problem also we discussed. Consider AB is equal to OB minus OA. That is equal to B bar minus A bar. Similarly, AC, OC minus OA. That is equal to C bar minus A bar. Next, AD, OD minus OA equal to D minus A. Since the points, sorry, here important point you remember, dear students. If the points capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D are coplanar, then box of AB bar, AC bar, AD bar is equal to 0. So very important point. So box of ABC, if and only if When the points are coplanar, here they mention that the coplanar, no? A, B, C, D are coplanar. If and only if box of AB, AC, AD is equal to 0. So box of ABC, AB means we already wrote B bar minus A bar, comma. No need to write comma, just vectors. AC means C bar minus A bar, AD means D bar minus A bar is equal to 0. So box of ABC can be written as, your important point, box of A bar, B bar, C bar can be written as A bar dot B bar cross C bar. We can write like this way. So this is also, we can write it as B bar minus A bar dot cross product of C bar minus A bar cross D bar minus A bar is equal to 0. Now B bar minus A bar dot cross multiplication, that means actual multiplication, C bar cross D bar, next minus C bar cross A bar minus A bar cross D bar, minus into minus plus A bar cross A bar. In cross product, when two vectors are same, their value goes to be 0. You remember, dear students, in cross product, A bar cross A bar or B bar cross B bar. So in the next step, this value goes to be 0. Next, B bar minus A bar dot C bar cross D bar minus A bar cross D bar, next minus C bar cross A bar, that value is 0. In the next step, each and every term you have to multiply. So B bar cross B bar dot C bar cross D bar. Next, B bar with this one. So minus is there now. So minus B bar dot A bar cross D bar. Next, minus B bar cross C bar, B bar dot C bar cross A bar. Along with this minus A bar also. Each and every minus A bar dot C bar cross D bar. Next, minus into minus plus A bar dot A bar cross D bar. Next, one more, minus into minus is plus A bar dot C bar cross A bar is equal to 0. So once again, just I will show dear students in what way I am writing. These two, next these two, next these two, like this I multiplied. After that these two, after that these two, after that these two. I hope you understand now. So 1 dot 1 cross can be written as box only, no? So box of B bar C bar D bar minus box of B bar A bar D bar minus box of B bar C bar A bar minus box of A bar C bar D bar plus box of A bar D bar plus box of A bar, C bar, A bar equal to 0. In the box, two vectors are same, the box value goes to be 0. So, whatever I kept here flower bracket, these values goes to be 0. So, the remaining terms box of B bar, C bar, D bar minus box of B bar, A bar, D bar minus box of B bar, C bar, A bar. Next minus box of A bar, C bar, D bar is equal to 0. So, in the answer we need to give in RHS A bar, B bar, C bar, no. So, the first term they are asking to prove first box BCD only. BCD it is there. B bar, C bar, D bar. Next in the second box CAD is there. But you have to arrange in the order BAD. So, I want ABD. So, if you interchange these two, this minus value will become plus. So, plus A bar, B bar, D bar. Next here also, first these two interchange, here plus will come. After that these two will be interchange, again plus will come. So, first plus B bar, A bar, C bar, A, C, D. So, I want CAD. If you interchange these two, plus will come now. Plus CAD equal to 0. In the next step, box of BCD, next plus box of ABD. Next, if you interchange these two, minus will come. Minus box of A bar, B bar, C bar, plus no change at all. Here CAD only it will be. Box of C bar, A bar, D bar. So, this minus value we can take this side. Box of BCD plus box of ABD plus box of CAD is equal to box of ABC. Hence proved, hence the result. I hope you understand, dear students. Based on this definition of coplanar, we have to prove in this way. We'll move on to the next one. Yeah, the next question number 35. If ABC are angles in the triangle, then prove that. So, in the first step, what we have to write it, dear students? Given that A, B, C are angles of a triangle, means angles in a triangle is good. Angles in a triangle, then A plus B plus C is equal to 180 or pi. So, leave some space. We will consider LHS. What is LHS? Sin A plus sin B minus sin C. So, for first two terms, sin C plus sin D formula you can apply. So, here I am writing sin C plus sin D formula. Sin C plus sin D. To 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So the first term will becomes 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c can be written as, in half angles we'll write it formula 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. Again, a plus b plus c is equal to 180. A plus b by 2 means a plus b by 2 is equal to 180 minus c by 2. So 90 minus c by 2 only, no? So sin of a plus b by 2 is sin of 90 minus cos theta by 2. Sin of a plus b by 2 is equal to sin of 90 minus theta by 2 is cos c by 2. Directly I am writing here sin of 90 minus c by 2 cos c by 2. Now onwards you remember. So 2 into sin of a plus b by 2. Otherwise a plus b by 2 90 minus c by 2 you can write sin of 90 minus cos c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. A minus b by 2 means that only, minus 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. So take common 2 cos c by 2 from both the terms. So cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2, that is equal to 2 cos c by 2 cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 minus c by 2 sin c by 2 is equal to cos of a plus b by 2. Sin c by 2 is equal to, take cos on both sides. So cos of a plus b by 2 means a by 2 plus b by 2 ma. In trigonometry transformations, in each and every step formula is to be applied. So please thorough, dear students, each and every formula. 2 cos c by 2 into here cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, 2 cos a cos b formula. Sorry, 2 cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. They are asking to prove the result. 2 sin a sin b will come. Even that also I will write it. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is equal to 2 sin a sin b. So here in place of a by 2 b by 2 is there. 2 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. So 2 2s are 4. First sin a by 2, next b sin b by 2 into cos c by 2, which is required RHS. I hope you understand, students. They are asking to prove that result only, no? Now we will move to the question number 36. Yeah, the next question. Question number 36. If cot a by 2, cot b by 2, cot c by 2 is equal to 3:5:7. So first given cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 is equal to 3 is to 5 is to 7. The formulas for cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 you need to learn, dear students. Cot A by 2 means S into S minus A divided by delta is to S into S minus B divided by delta is to S into S minus C divided by delta. That is equal to 3 is to 5 is to 7. So in LHS, S by delta, S by delta, S by delta, you can cancel it. So after cancelling that same values, it will becomes S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C is equal to 3 is to 5 is to 7. So A is to B is to C is equal to C is to D is to D means L is to M is to N means A by L equal to B by M equal to C by N. So that is S minus A by 3 is equal to S minus B by 5 is equal to S minus C by 7. This is equal to some constant K, we are assuming that. Same means we are assuming. So equating these two, equating these two. So S minus A is equal to 3K. S minus B is equal to 5K. S minus C is equal to 7K. So add all values, S value make as a subject. So S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C is equal to 3K plus 5K plus 7K. S plus S plus S 3S minus of A plus B plus C is equal to 15K. That implies 3S minus 2S is equal to 15K. So S is equal to 15K. S value we got it. After S value, they are asking to show the values of A is to B is to C is 6 is to 5 is to 4. So S value we got it now. Therefore S minus A is equal to 3K. S value is what? 15K minus A is equal to 3K. So 3K we can take this side. 15 minus 3 12. 12K is equal to A. Next S minus B is equal to 5K. 15K minus B is equal to 5K. 15K minus 5K is 10K. 10K is equal to B. Next S minus C is equal to 7K. 15K minus C is equal to 7K. 15 minus 7 8. 8K is equal to C. So therefore they are asking to show the answer A is to B is to C. No? A is to B is to C is equal to A value 12K is to B value 10K is to C value 8K. So in all the terms K will be common and cancel like S by delta. 12 is to 10 is to 8. So all are 2 multiples, 2 6 are, 2 5 are, 2 4 are. Therefore A is to B is to C is equal to 6 is to 5 is to 4. Hence proved, or hence the result. I hope you understand, students. Once again just I scroll on. Only based on the formula cot A by 2 formula S into S minus A by delta, cot B by 2 formula S into S minus B by delta, cot C by 2 formula S into S minus C by delta. In all the three terms, S by delta common and cancel here, and taking that ratio we'll get it. The next question and last question in this session. It's a very important question. We will expect in the public examination also this type of question. Whenever ABC is provided in the question, first we need to calculate S value. So from that easily we can calculate the other values. So first information you write it, given that A is equal to 13, B is equal to 14 and C is equal to 15. So next we have formula. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So S is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. S is equal to 13 plus 14, 27, 27 plus 15, 42, 42 by 2, 21. So S is equal to 21. S value we got it. After getting the value of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, calculate. Now S minus A. So S value 21 minus A value 13, that is equal to 8. So therefore S minus A is equal to 8. Next S minus B is equal to 21 minus 14, which is equal to 7. S minus B is equal to 7. Next S minus C is equal to 21 minus 15 equal to 6. So S minus C is equal to 6. Whenever we know the value of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, you can calculate the value of delta. Therefore, delta is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S value is root over 21 into S minus A is 8, S minus B is 7, S minus C is 6. 21 can be written as 7 times of 3. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So here already one of the 7 is there, one more 7 is there. I forgot to write. So 7 into 7, 7 square. 3 into 3, 3 square. 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 square is 2 power 4, 16. No? 16 can be written as 4 square. So ultimately delta equal to square root of 7 into 3 into 4 whole square. Square root cancel. 21 into 4. 84. So delta value 84. After getting the delta value, first they are asking to prove capital R is equal to, we know that formula, we know that, or we have delta is equal to ABC by 4R. That is one of the important formulas. But from this capital R I want na. Capital R is equal to ABC by 4 delta. So A value is 13, B value is 14, C value is 15 by 4 times of delta 84. 14 ones are 14, 6 are 3 twos are 3 fives are 13 fives are 65 divided by 4 twos are 8. Therefore, capital R is equal to 65 divided by 8. So it is there in this. The first question answer is over. Next question, small r is equal to 4 they are asking. Delta is equal to SR. From that R make as a subject. Small r is equal to delta by S. Delta is equal to 84 by S value is 21, that is equal to 4. Therefore, small r value is equal to 4. 21 4s. Next, R1. R1 is equal to formula delta by S minus A. It implies R1 is equal to delta value 84, S minus A value, we got it now, S minus A, 8. S minus A value is 8. So 4 table, 4 21s by 4 2s. Therefore, R1 is equal to 21 by 2. Next, R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. That implies R2 equal to delta value 84 by S minus B value, S minus B value 7. So 7 12s are 84. So 12. Therefore, R2 is equal to 12. Next, R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. That implies R3 is equal to delta value 84 by S minus C value. S minus C is equal to 6. So 14 6 are 84. So therefore, R3 is equal to 14. So whatever they are asking, we already completed all the values. I hope you understand that, dear students. Once again, just I'll scroll down all the answers. Thank you, dear students. Wish you all the best. Wish you best of luck. All the best from our channel, Maths with Panindra. Thank you. Signing off, Maths with Panindra.